An Indonesian company whose cough syrup was connected to the deaths of more than 200 children has sentenced its CEO and three other officials to prison terms. They were fined 1 billion Indonesian rupiah, 63 the 56 51,686, and given 2-year prison terms. The company, Afi Pharma, was charged with manufacturing cough syrups with excessive levels of hazardous materials. According to the company's attorney, they denied any negligence, and the company was thinking about filing an appeal. Arief Prasetya Harahap, the CEO of Afi Pharma, was facing up to 9 years in prison, while the other defendants were facing sentences of 7 years each. The prosecutor stated that 96% to 99% of ethylene glycol was present in these batches. Both materials have applications as solvent additives. Ethylene glycol is toxic and found in paint, pens, and brake fluid. Propylene glycol is non-toxic and found in many medications, cosmetics, and foods.